Welcome to English Podcast Home. Today we are going to learn something very important.
Yes, today's topic is how to improve English speaking fast at home in a very simple way.
If you feel shy or stuck while speaking English, don't worry.
Because in this episode, we will show you a daily practice method that really works.
Sarah, many learners say they understand English but cannot speak. Why do you think this happens?
I think there are many reasons. First, people are afraid of making mistakes. Second, they don't have anyone to practice speaking with. And third, they think too much in their own language before speaking English.
Yes, that is very common. The real problem is not understanding English. The real problem is not practicing speaking. If you want to improve fast, you must start speaking, even if you are alone.
But Adam, how can someone speak alone at home? It feels a little strange.
It is not strange at all. It is actually the fastest way to improve. You can talk to yourself in English every day. Don't translate sentences from your language. Just think simple English words and speak directly.
So you mean I should speak without worrying about grammar in the beginning?
Exactly. In the beginning, your focus should be fluency, not perfection. Grammar will improve later, but speaking confidence must come first.
Okay, Adam. Then how can I practice speaking at home alone in a proper way?
Good question. I will give you a simple step-by-step method. First, stand in front of a mirror every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Second, start describing your surroundings in simple English. For example, this is my room. I am standing here. I am learning English.
That sounds easy, but what else can I do?
You can also talk about your daily routine. Say things like, I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I start my day. Keep sentences short and simple.
Should I repeat the same sentences every day or make new ones?
At the beginning, repeat the same 3 to 5 sentences daily. Repetition is very powerful. When you repeat, your brain becomes comfortable with English patterns.
Okay, let me try now. I will speak like this. I am in my room. I am learning English. I am feeling better today. I want to speak English fluently.
Very good, Sarah. Small correction. Instead of, I want to speak English fluently, you can also say, I want to speak English more fluently. But your confidence is improving.
Thank you, Adam. I feel a little more confident when I speak slowly like this.
That is the most important change. Speed is not important in the beginning. Confidence and clarity are more important than fast speaking.
Sometimes I stop when I don't find words. What should I do in that situation?
Don't stop. If you forget a word, use simple words instead. Keep talking even if sentences are not perfect. The goal is to keep your mouth active in English.
So I should not translate in my mind?
Yes, avoid translation. Think in simple English like, I am happy, I am tired, I am eating, I am going out. Simple thinking makes speaking faster.
How long should I practice every day?
Just 10 minutes daily is enough if you are consistent. But consistency is very important. 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
So if I practice daily, will I really improve fast?
Yes, definitely. If you follow this method for a few weeks, you will notice that your hesitation reduces and your speaking becomes more natural.
I understand now. I will start speaking every day at home without fear.
That is the right mindset. Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent and brave enough to try every day. Sarah, imagine you are alone at home. How can you turn your whole day into English practice?
I think I can do a few things. First, I can talk to myself in English. Second, I can watch English videos and try to repeat the sentences. And third, I can practice speaking by copying simple sentences again and again.
That is a very good start, Sarah. But let's make it more structured so your English improves faster. You need to connect your whole daily routine with English speaking practice.
Structured? What do you mean by that?
I mean, you should divide your day into small speaking parts. For example, in the morning, afternoon, and evening. In the morning, when you wake up, you should say 5 simple sentences about your plan.
Like what kind of sentences?
Simple ones like, I am waking up. I am feeling fresh. Today, I will study English. I will practice speaking. I will improve my English. Just small and clear sentences.
Okay. And what about the afternoon?
In the afternoon, you should describe what you are doing at that moment. For example, I am eating lunch. I am watching a video. I am studying English grammar. I am relaxing for a while. Speak slowly but continuously.
And in the evening?
In the evening, you should talk about your whole day. For example, today was a good day. I learned new English sentences. I practiced speaking. I made mistakes, but I improved. This helps your brain review the whole day in English.
That sounds helpful. But, Adam, why do I always stop when I try to speak English?
That is a very important question. There are 3 main reasons. First, you are thinking in your native language and trying to translate. Second, you don't have enough sentence practice. And third, you don't have a daily speaking habit.
So, the real problem is not English. It is my habit?
Exactly. Speaking English is a habit, not just knowledge. If you build a daily habit, your fluency will improve naturally, without pressure.
Let me try a small practice now. I will speak slowly. I wake up early. I make breakfast. I go to study English.
Good effort, Sarah. Small improvement. Instead of saying, I go to study English, you can say, I start studying English, or I go to study English. But your sentence flow is getting better.
I feel I am still slow when I speak.
That is normal. Don't worry about speed right now. If you want better fluency, use short sentences only. Short sentences equals faster speaking. Long sentences create confusion.
Okay, so short sentences are better for beginners?
Yes, absolutely. Simple structure builds confidence. When you become comfortable, then you can slowly add longer sentences.
Adam, how can I speak faster without fear of mistakes?
The key is very simple. Don't stop when you make mistakes. Keep speaking even if you are wrong. Your goal is communication, not perfection.
Should I think in English too?
Yes, try to think in simple English words. Don't build full, complex sentences in your mind. Just think basic ideas like, I am hungry, I am going out, I am studying.
What else can help me improve quickly?
Repeat the same daily sentences for at least 7 days. Don't change them every day. Repetition trains your brain and makes speaking automatic.
So, repetition is important?
Very important. Repetition builds fluency, confidence, and memory. Most learners fail because they always change their practice instead of repeating.
I understand now. I will try this routine every day.
Good. If you follow this simple structure daily, your speaking will improve step by step without pressure.
I will try speaking English every day at home without fear.
So Sarah, today we learned that speaking English fast is not about pressure or perfection.
Yes, it is about daily practice, simple sentences, and building a strong habit at home.
If you practice even 10 minutes every day, your speaking will improve step by step.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just keep speaking and keep improving.
See you in the next episode of English Podcast Home.
Bye, and keep practicing English every day.